In this video, we're going to be looking at how long JoyaGoo takes to ship. Now, they actually have a great calculator on their website, and I'm going to show you how to actually use it to see how long it's approximately going to take for your items to ship to you. So, if you are on the website over here, JoyaGoo.com, scroll down a bit, and here you'll see the button which says Shipping Estimation. Click on that. And then here you first want to enter in your country, so we're going to go ahead and enter in the UK, and then the weight, so you're going to have to enter in the weight, the length. By the way, I'm just putting some random numbers in here just for this tutorial, but for you, of course, make sure you put in the correct numbers so you get the correct estimation for both time and the fees as well. Here, if you have any mail restrictions, you can go ahead, put that in. I don't have any, so I'm going to just click on Calculate. And then down here you can see all the shipping fees with different providers, with different couriers, etc. And then here you can also see the transit time. So this is the approximate time that it's going to take if you are using any of these, for example, UPS over here, and then you have the EMS, etc. And of course, this is how long it's going to take, and this is how much time you can usually expect basically this to take. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.